Hey everyone, Seth here, and the title of this video is How to Check Video Views on Instagram. This is a question I get asked a lot, and it's super easy to do, especially now with the update on Instagram. So all you got to do is go to your Instagram account, and you want to select one of the videos that you posted. Now typically I would wait a day or two because it takes a little while for people to find your video and to watch it and for it to rack up enough views where it's even worth checking. So post your video, wait a couple days, and then select one of your videos. So just click on it. Here I selected one of mine. This is one from Quest for 300, my fitness Instagram account, and it's me doing some overhead shoulder presses. And all you got to do is look underneath the photo of the video there, and you'll see the heart shape, the speech bubble, and the direct message arrow. Right underneath of it, it says 8 views, and that's how many times someone clicked on my video and watched it. And it's literally that easy. And the updates are instantaneous. So if somebody's watching it a minute from now, it's going to update. So it's a great way to be able to check to see if people are actually looking at your stuff. And if you want to add stuff in the future, you'll kind of know what catches people's eye. Well, everyone, that's how to check video views on Instagram. It's literally that easy. And if you want to get future videos on how to do cool stuff on Instagram, how to use Instagram, and updates on Instagram, just subscribe to the channel. Thanks, guys.